Camp Nou is entering another crucial stage of construction, and the latest update reveals some of the biggest developments we've seen in weeks. From rapid progress on the compression ring and decorative facade to new structural milestones inside the stadium, every corner of the project is moving forward. Let's take a closer look at everything changing at Barcelona's future home. Construction crews continue preparing the lower sections of the stadium for the next phase. Large areas are being cleaned and treated with a primer layer, allowing future surface work to move forward more efficiently. At the same time, multiple superstructure zones remain active. On the lateral side of the stadium, new concrete structures have emerged, likely forming part of the underground infrastructure. While their exact function hasn't been confirmed, they represent another important milestone in the project's development. The surrounding area is also receiving additional primer treatment as more sections are prepared for the next construction stage. The diamond structures continue taking shape. While the first diamond has seen limited recent activity, the third is becoming increasingly impressive as its overall structure is further defined. The second diamond is progressing much faster, with support elements and reinforcements already installed, placing it well ahead of the first structure. The VIP ring continues to transform with new black panels now installed across several sections. Although interior work is still underway, the structure is beginning to resemble its final design. Current projections indicate that the complete upper bowl is more likely to become operational during the 2027 to 2028 season. Construction inside the third tier continues across multiple work fronts. Although much of the activity remains focused on structural preparation rather than final finishes, crews are advancing around the access openings, reinforced seating terraces, and future service areas where masonry walls and internal partitions are gradually taking shape. Temporary scaffolding is also being used to relocate the provisional floodlighting system to the upper level, creating approximately 2,500 additional seats for next season. Following the latest project timeline, permanent seating installation is unlikely to begin until after the major roof lifting operations scheduled for the summer of 2027, when unrestricted access to the upper structure will no longer be required. The second cantilever continues to progress through detailed construction works, particularly around the future VIP ring. Curtain wall installation has advanced significantly, with most of the glazing panels already installed around the hospitality suites. While entrance doors and interior finishing work are still pending, the structural envelope of this level is becoming increasingly complete. Smaller crews also remain active along the upper service areas, carrying out preparatory work required before the next phase of construction. The first cantilever is undergoing one of the most visible architectural transformations on the project. Ceramic facade installation continues to expand across the exterior, steadily replacing exposed concrete and structural steel with the stadium's permanent finish. The maroon ceramic panels now dominate much of the completed facade, while the remaining blue sections will gradually be added as installation progresses, completing the club's signature color scheme across the stadium. Attention returns to the north goal, where the steel box segment seen earlier has now been successfully lifted into position within the compression ring. Guided carefully by the tower crane, crews continue making precise alignment adjustments while the load remains supported under tension, allowing the segment to be accurately seated before the permanent structural connections are secured. Workers coordinate closely with the crane operator throughout the process, ensuring proper positioning as another section of the compression ring takes shape. Installation work continues on the support system for the ceramic facade, with crews aligning anchor brackets and verifying the spacing between connection points before the next installation stage begins. Other teams remain focused on inspecting the supporting steel beams, while elevated work platforms provide access across multiple levels of the facade. Preparations are progressing section by section, ensuring that future louver installation can continue without interruption. Another diamond structure also continues to take shape. Crews have been steadily building the internal walls, partitions, and small concrete columns over recent days. This week, another important milestone appeared as metal framing began inside the structure, preparing the walls for drywall installation. It's another clear sign that interior construction is now advancing alongside the structural work. And finally, let us close today's update at the cafeteria section. where progress continues to advance on multiple fronts. The cafeteria is becoming increasingly recognizable as a finished and properly defined architectural space. Plenty of aluminum profiles are currently being installed throughout the area, creating the structural framework for future glass panels, door frames, window installations, and other finishing elements. Every profile installed is preparing the cafeteria for the next stage of the fit-out. Alongside this work, the walls of the cafeteria are also taking shape, defining the dining areas, service zones, and circulation spaces that will welcome fans on match days and beyond. Wall by wall and profile by profile, the cafeteria is acquiring its finished form. A warm, well-appointed, beautifully designed fan hospitality space, worthy of the world's greatest stadium, is becoming clearer with every detail that is added. The transformation is becoming more dramatic with every update. While important work still lies ahead, Barcelona's future home is taking shape faster than ever before.